Welcome to the module on quality management system. In this module, we will be defining the quality control and quality assurance, what is quality, and also we will be focusing on the difference between the quality assurance and quality control. So to start with, what is quality? Quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear upon its ability to satisfy the stated or the implied needs. The other definitions of quality is a degree to which a set of inherent characters, that is natural and permanent characters, fulfills the requirement. So requirement of the user related to quality and service life of structures are specified in the contract specifications are given to you in order to maintain the quality of the required input. For example, if you say I need some water to drink, the quality of the water is predefined. It is the inherent quality of the water that when it is being asked for drinking, that it should be suitable for drinking and it should be free of any impurities whatsoever. So this is what is the set of characteristics which are inherent in nature. But instead of supplying a pure water, if you have been supplied with a turbid water, a polluted water which contains a lot of pollutants in it, then that means what is required is not being met. And if there is a difference between the required and the supplied material, then we can say that the quality of the material is not good. So, and this stands fit, or this stands good for all activities, all stages, and all aspects of life, whether it is purchasing a shirt, whether it is getting a ride, or whether it is making a telephone call, or whatever it is, whatever is being expected or implied needs. And if your product is varying from the expectations, that means the quality is not good. What is quality assurance? Quality assurance plan is a document constructed by the project team meant to ensure the final product are of the utmost quality. Quality assurance plan contains a set of documents, activities meant to ensure that customers are satisfied with the goods or services the company provides. All those planned and systematic actions necessary to provide adequate confidence that a product or structure or service will satisfy the given requirements for quality is what is known as quality assurance plan. Quality assurance is given in the form of a quality assurance plan before the execution of the project or a particular set of activities is started. The approved quality assurance plan is followed for quality control during the execution of the projects. Like for example, if you are about to start a concreting activity, your quality assurance plan should state clearly what should be the grade of the concrete, what should be the controls required in order to ensure the quality of the concrete, and what should be the temperature of the concrete or workability requirements depending upon the type of the structure and the congestion of the reinforcement in the activities. So quality assurance plan is basically a set of activities, a planned systematic action to provide the confidence that yes, by following these steps we will be able to ensure the product quality. Difference between QA and QC, if you see, that is quality assurance and quality controls. QA is the implementation of processes, methodologies, and standards that ensure that the product developed will be up to the required quality standards, whereas QC is the set of activities that are carried out to verify the developed products meets the required standards or not. QA focuses on the improvement of the processes and methodologies used to develop the product, whereas QC focuses on the improvement of the product by identifying the issues or defects or bugs in it. QA is a preventive process as it establishes the methods which prevents the defects or bugs in the process, or QC is a corrective process as it focuses on identifying the bugs and getting them fixed then and there only. For example, if there is a defect, it is the role of the QC to correct it in terms of honeycombing or in terms of cracks or spalling in concrete, etc. Whereas QA ensures that the preventive process should be strengthened in such a way that such type of defects will not exist in future or in upcoming products or activities. All the persons are responsible as far as the QA is concerned, and it is the responsibility of the quality control inspector or the testing team to find the issues or identify the gaps in the process as far as the quality control is concerned. Examples of quality assurance activities includes process checklist, process standards, process documentations, and the project audit, possibly technical audit as well as the system audits. Examples of quality control activities includes inspections, deliverables, peer reviews, and the testing processes in order to ensure that the product meets the required standards. QA is basically a process oriented, whereas QC is a product oriented. QA is a verification of activities that verifies that you are doing the right thing in the right manner in the right time. And QC is a validation activity that validates the product against the requirements given. So to summarize this module, we talked about the definition of QC, we talked about the definition of QA, that is quality assurance, and we also discussed about some of the differences between the quality assurance and quality control. Thank you for watching.